Hello and thank you for watching my video review. My name is Lao Xiyuan and I am currently pursuing a degree in economics in UCAM, and I'm excited to present my skills, achievements, and aspirations as I explore new opportunities in economics. For education and academic and achievements, I'm currently in my second year of study and majoring in economics, and I expect to graduate in 2027. Throughout my academic journey, I have maintained a strong academic record. My CGPA is 3.5, and I have received scholarship and academic rewards in high school. These achievements reflect my dedication and passion for learning. For skills and competence parts, over the years, I have developed both technical and soft skills that I believe are essential in today's professional environments. Technically, I'm proficient in Microsoft Excel, Canva, and so on, or any software relevant to your field, such as the Microsoft Excel. It is so useful, so I have commanded it. In terms of soft skills, I am highly adaptable and a strong communicator and work well in teams. For example, during a group project on water pollution, I coordinated communication among team members and ensured all deadlines were met effectively. I also improved my leadership skills while serving as some people in Kajang. And for work experience industry parts, I have gained a hands-on experience through the internship and part-time job or volunteer work. This experience taught me time management and responsibility and how to adapt to real-world work environments. And I'm active participant in some activities. In addition, I volunteered for community service in China, which helped me build emphasis and communication skills while giving back to the community. I have completed several academic and personal projects, including some religious survey project on the auto parts market in Malaysia. This project allowed me to apply my classroom knowledge to real scenarios. Looking ahead, I aim to build a career in finance or auto parts where I can lead teams. Thank you again for taking time to watch my video review. If you would like to know more or connect, feel free to reach out to me via email at 206013@siswa.ukm.edu.my. I would truly appreciate the opportunity to further discuss how my skills and experience could contribute to your team or organization. I look forward to connect with you. Thank you.